Chapter 6: Supply Chain Management Strategy. The strategic supply chain processes that management would select would span the entire value chain: product production, consumers, manufacturing, retailers, and logistics are examples of these. Many staff of many organizations do not have access to the whole business strategy, so the engagement of senior management leadership must be clear to them in the vision and mission statements, as well as the priorities and targets, customers' needs, internal skills, supply chain dynamics, supply chain infrastructure, strategic intelligence, supply chain risk, supply chain organizations, personal and success benchmarks, business case and organizational buy-in, and supply chain plan implementation are the 10 supply chain tactics. There are various strategies to achieve a competitive edge, and a plan that suits the organization and its activity must be created. Supply chain control is integrated into the overall corporate plan and operations.